Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a makeup challenge and it has been a minute since I've done a makeup challenge. Don't actually know when the last one was. Something's happening. I've had to turn my music off to concentrate. No! Oh my... So this makeup challenge is basically doing an entire full face of makeup in reverse. So normally I would do my face makeup, then eye makeup, and then set it all. Well, today we are setting it Jesus, take the wheel. I am going to be so confused as to what I need to do because everyone has a makeup routine and you stick to that makeup routine and it's like religion, you know it off by heart. But then this is going to be a mindfuck. I don't even know. So I basically got this idea from Nikki Tutorials. I watched her video of it yesterday, which was Monday when I watched this, but last week when you were going to watch this. I saw her do this and I thought that looks weirdly amusing. That's why we're doing it today. So, hence why I look like a fat egg head. So normally I would set my face last, so I'm going to set my face first today. So I'm going to go in with the Pixie Vitamin Wake Up Mist and I'm just going to drown myself. Like I said, I'm just going to drown myself. And then following, before that, I normally do my lips last to finish the look off. And I normally do a lip liner, lipstick and a lip gloss. So because we're doing it in reverse, it's going to be a lip gloss first. Question, how am I meant to overdraw my lips with a lip gloss? Because that's normally what I do with a lip liner. And I'm not even at that stage yet. I'm just going to go in with a Revlon Matte Balm lipstick in Enchanted. I'm just going to stick that over the top. Has that even done anything? Probably not. It's a thing, we're going with it. We are going with it. So next is my eyeballs and I do my lashes last. So I'm going to stick them off camera because nobody wants to see me try and stick lashes on. So I'll be right back once I've done them and had a mental breakdown. Already! I've only done my lips. So now that my lashes are on, I've just doubled up like 2 sets of Wispies just to give me some sort of drama going on because I feel that my artistic skills are not going to come through today. So I'm hoping my lashes can disguise the mess that's going to be thrown upon my eyeballs today. I do honestly want this to come out really, really good so I can actually leave the house. But realistically, I like my optimism. So normally I do my lid before my lower lid situation. Oh no, wait, whoa, I need to mascara, wait. Hold the front door. So this is the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline. I'm just going to... This is going to be such a weird combination. Why? Like mascara before eyeshadow. I'm honestly hating on life right now. This is actually horrible. Ow, are you even a makeup person if you don't stick it in your eye? So now that that's on my eye and physically in my eye, I'm now going to go in with Hellride, which is like a burgundy, pinky shade. And I'm just going to go over the top of that. I'm picking up very little pigment because, honestly, I actually can't see anything past these lashes. I can't see past my lash. It's becoming a problem. There's something going on there. Do I know what's going on there? No, because I can't see past my lashes. I honestly can't see. Cannot see. I have makeup in my eye. I have stacked lashes. I can't see. So if I look like a raccoon, I'm so sorry. But I'm just going to go in with Blush, which is going to be in orange. And that's basically like my crease colour. But I'm just going to like deepen my crease. If that makes any sense. Probably not. This is normally a colour that I would deepen the crease with. So that's why I'm just like blending that purple out with it. You know what? If in doubt, blend it out. That's what we're going with. That is the life motto on this channel now. I'm just going to go in the Still Shot, which would be my crease. I'm just going to buff that out. Just to soften the mess that is currently on my eyeball. I'm just shush. I mean, this lash is kind of like wanting to give up on life and like leave my face. So I'm just going to like try and stick that back to my face because it can't leave. I'm just going to do this eye off camera just so we can like speed up the process, because Lord knows I am going to be here for some time saying my prayers to Jesus. So I'm just going to do all that and I'll be right back. So normally before I do all of this to my eyeball, I do my brows. I use a brow powder and a brow gel. I just use the Maybelline Brow Precise Fibre Filler. This just kind of like gives my brows like an extra summer because my brows are practically non-existent. So that's a look. That is a look of a complete psychopath. I'm honestly scared. What is happening? Like, this brow gel has seen better days. This brow gel has definitely seen better days, for sure. Okay, we have brows. They're not the greatest looking brows, but we have brows. I'm just happy that the slit in this eyebrow is non-existent. So, we've got a brow. So, what do I do before my brows? Highlight. I do my highlight. So I'm going to go in with a cream highlight. I'm going to mix two. I don't know what the hell is on this. Is on it? I don't know. I'm just going to go in with my iconic illuminator in Shine. And I'm going to use this Inc.redible You Glow Girl Jelly Highlighter situation in Iridescent. Oh, in Cosmic Blur. Reading the completely wrong thing. I'm just going to like dash this everywhere that I normally put my highlight. I'm just gonna like blend it out. Doesn't really matter if it's like too in your face or like too like woo, which it already kind of is, because the foundation that's gonna go over it, so it's not really a bad thing. Like, would this even be a YouTube challenge if I didn't go extra? You know, low key, I'm doing this with my highlight to distract you from the mess that's my eyes. That's why I've done it actually. Then I would go in with my face powder, I think. I don't know. Do I? Wait, what? I do, okay, right, I do primer, foundation, concealer, contour, highlight, powder. Have I missed a step? Should I have gone in with powder first? Then my highlight, then my contour. I've missed a step. Okay, so I've missed it. No! I mean, putting powder onto skin directly isn't making my pores look any bigger than they already are. I mean, they're definitely blurring the pores out, you know. I've literally run out of contour colour, cream contour, so I'm just out here doing this because why not have a challenge inside of a challenge, you know? Why not? I'm honestly, at this moment in time, just embracing the fact that this is just going to turn out to be a complete abomination and it's just not going to turn out good. I'm not going to be leaving the house after this. I have failed somewhat drastically with this challenge. There's no saving it. We're going to go in with the lightest part of my cream contour and I'm just going to stick that underneath my eyes as concealer, because we need concealer despite the fact I've just set my face. Makes sense. Maybe the finished result, like the overall finished result, might look good, but maybe just right now it's just like, girl, what are you doing? And I honestly don't know. Okay, so my final step, which is normally my first kind of step, foundation, and I'm kind of hoping this will cover all of this. I'm just going to use a beauty blender because that's what I normally use for my foundation, so that's what we're doing. At this moment in time, I have Shawn Mendes on in the background. That's the only thing that's good right now, because I can't. Then before foundation, it's primer, and you can actually use this before and after your makeup, so you can use it as a prep and set. So that is the makeup challenge completed. It's done. I am really upset. I honestly tried so hard to actually look half decent and to actually look semi-presentable, but realistically I'm so like upset because I pride myself so much in like my face makeup, like my foundation and everything like that. I pride myself so much, and I can tell straight away everywhere where I put the powder, because I set my face in my T-zone, it's broken up where the powder has like broken up the foundation, if that makes sense. Everything that I've used will be listed down below as always. If you are intrigued or interested in what I've used, it'll be all listed down below for you guys. I dare you, actually, I dare you to do a full face of makeup in reverse, because I think it's highly entertaining. But if there's any other challenges that you would like to see me attempt, then suggest them down below and I will try and do them to my best of my ability. But if you did like this video, click the thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday with preferably a better looking face than this, and a weekly vlog every Sunday. Till next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!